Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to know about the RCFL recruitment for 2020. The basic details are as follows. The organization name is Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. Position name is for the trade apprentice. The number of vacancies open are 358. The starting date is of 8th of December 2020 and the end date is 22nd of December 2020. The mode of application will be online. The post is opened across India. You can check out the official website which is mentioned here on the screen for more information. And the selection process for Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited is undergoing a merit list in order for the percentage secured by the applicant in the prescribed essential education qualifications as mentioned. The vacancy details are as follows. For trade apprentice under the Regional Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, which is also called as RDSDE, Laboratory Attendant Chemical Plant LACP, there are 7 posts. For Instrumental Mechanical Chemical Plant, 7 posts are available. Maintenance Mechanic Chemical Plant, again 7 posts are open. For Electrician, again 3 posts. For Boiler Attendant, it is 4 posts again. For Machinist, there is only 1 post available. These are the different types of posts which are open, and these are the number of posts which are equivalent to the post mentioned here. For example, like for a welder there are only 1 post. For stenographer it is 40 posts open. For horticulture 8 posts are open. For food production general only 1 post is open. For assistant human resource there are 16 posts open. Likewise, you can check all the detailed posts which are open and the number of vacancies which are mentioned here very clearly. And these are the rest of the posts, like the recruitment executive human resource trainee, there are 8 posts. For an accountant there are 10 posts again. For medical lab technician and medical laboratory technician, for pathology there are only 1 by 1 posts open. For trade apprentice under the Board of Apprenticeship Training, for diploma chemical 19 posts are open. For diploma mechanical 18 posts. For diploma electrical 12 and instrumental 8, civil 3, computer 2 and medical lab technician it is 5 posts. The education qualification that the posts demand are candidates who have completed the diploma in their engineering, DMLT, the graduation, HSCCA, ICWA, MFC, MBA, MSW, PG diploma, and whoever they have completed any of the course, but their certificate should be from a recognized university which is recognized under the Government of India as their education qualification. The age limit is as follows. For each of the posts, the age limit has been differing. The trade apprentice under the Regional Directorate for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, RDSDE. For attendant operator chemical plant 25 years. For chemical plant again 25 years. For mechanical chemical plant 25 years again. For maintenance mechanical chemical plant 21 years. For electrician, boiler attendant and mechanist 21 years as given. For welder and stenographer 21 years is the age limit. For secretarial assistant, horticulture and housekeeper 25 years is the age limit. For food production general 21 years is the age limit. For executive human resource and executive marketing trainee 25 years is the age limit. These are the rest of the posts and their age limits accordingly. And for all of these posts which are mentioned here, 25 years is the age limit as mentioned. For executive finance accounts trainee, for accountant, for recruitment executive, for medical law technician, for medical laboratory technician, for all these posts 25 years is the age limit. For the trade apprentice under the Board of Apprenticeship Training, for diploma chemical, diploma mechanical, electrical, instrumental, civil, computer, medical and lab technician, for all of these posts 25 years is the age limit. And let us see what is the stipend that they are providing. For class 12 it is 7,000 per month. For technical apprentice or diploma holders in any stream you will be given 8,000 per month. For graduates and for degree apprentice degree holders in any stream you will be given 9,000 per month. For the candidates who are looking forward to apply for any of the posts mentioned here, you can check out the description box below. The link will be given to you for accessing the link directly, and you can check out the link which is mentioned here on the screen. It would be better if you check out the description box, because by clicking on that link you will be given direct access of how to apply. Well, I hope this video is helpful for you all, and please make sure if you have any doubts regarding this or if you need any clarifications, you can put it down in the comment section below. Also, share it with your friends whoever need this information and wanting to apply for any of the posts which are mentioned here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you.